Today, J-Tec Material Handling reveals the secrets of combining solids and liquids in turnkey process handling installations. In the following 5 minutes, you will be given a unique look at a state-of-the-art cream production facility. It goes without saying that in food processing installations, hygiene is of paramount importance. J-Tec can rely on many years of experience and sees to it that every food installation is built according to strict EHEG guidelines. In this installation, sugar is unloaded from food trucks and passes through a magnet before it even sees the inner site of the silo. The silo is continuously blanketed with dry air in order to preserve the highest product quality. A vibrating base facilitates the extraction of the product, and a control sieve ensures no irregularities enter the process flow. A pneumatic conveying system then transports the sugar towards a grinder, where it is transformed into icing sugar. The blender placed underneath the grinder ensures no lumps can be formed, and homogenizes the product before dosing and conveying it towards the mixing area. On each platform, a weighing hopper guarantees a consistent recipe by collecting an exact amount of icing sugar. To avoid formation of lumps and to enhance the product's flowability, each hopper is equipped with a slow-moving agitator. Besides collecting the sugar, starches and other ingredients are simultaneously dosed and transported towards the mixing platforms. The extraction of the starch out of the silos is facilitated by fluidization. The aerated starch smoothly flows out of the silo and is dosed by a rotary valve that gently feeds a pneumatic conveying line. Before the starch reaches the mixing platforms, an inline vibrating sieve first removes any deviations. The starch is then divided over the mixing platforms into buffer hoppers, ready to be dosed to the mixers using loss-in-weight technology. Contrary to bulk products, additives are often delivered in small bags. Foreseeing this, J-Tec created its own hygienic bag discharging stations for adding small ingredients like specific starches into the production process. Also, big bags are frequently used to supply raw materials. In this scope, cacao is added and gives the cream the flavor and appearance it needs. J-Tec integrated its own big bag discharging station, equipped with a vibrating bottom, an innovative stretching system, and a dust-free discharging clamp. From here on, the cacao finds its way into yet another pneumatic conveying line, going straight towards the mixing platforms. The creation of cream is achieved by mixing solids and liquids. In this installation, the liquids are temporarily stored in 4 dedicated tanks. From these reservoirs, an exact amount of product is dosed directly into the mixers by a pump, controlled by a mass flow meter. An inline filter ensures that only clean product is brought into the production flow. For the smaller amounts of liquid additives required in the recipes, J-Tec designed innovative IBC discharging stations. These stations are able to dose with extreme accuracy and are designed according to the latest hygienic guidelines. At this point, the mixing units have collected the exact amounts of fluids and signal the buffer bins to automatically drop their pre-dosed ingredients. It goes without saying that during operation, all these process steps run simultaneously, just in time, and are highly accurate. Just before the actual mixing, pre-dosed additives are added manually as a finishing touch. Finally, we have arrived at the heart of the installation, where the mixing units incorporate all raw materials according to specific recipe sequences. After the liquids are brought in, A fast-rotating shear element will create a vortex for instant mixing the pre-dose ingredients. Depending on the characteristics of the mixtures, slow-moving agitators are required to homogenize the end product. We now obtained a cream with a perfect consistency. Once again, J-Tec's people succeeded in their challenge and made the difference for their customers.